Hello. So today I'm going to walk through a demo of adding search navigation bar items. Um, right now we are on the Traveling Well homepage, and we can see the search nav is already there, and it has a home icon and a traveling tips icon. Right now the news page doesn't have this bar at all, so we're going to refer to that so we can start from ground zero. So here we are in Page Editor on the news page. What we want to do is first add that search nav component. Um, Once we add to the header content section, we want to narrow our search down, just typing in search, and we can see search category navigation bar. So we're going to add that. There's going to be a message here saying please make sure the component is set up properly. That's because we don't have a data source assigned yet. So we're going to hit this button, set associated content, expand Colette, news, since we're on the news page right now, and data sources. So create new, news, data sources, let's click here, and we can have the default name, search category navigation bar. Okay, and save that. Now this component still won't show as we don't have any buttons defined besides the default home button. So we need to add search buttons to that data source. So in this navigation bar, we're at news, we want to narrow down to data sources, and then into search category navigation bar. And we'll click this edit button. In here, we'll automatically be on the search category navigation bar, and what we want to do is add search buttons as children. To do that, we want to right click that item, go to insert, and search category button. And since we're on the news page and we have a tag called press releases, we'll call this one the same thing, press releases. Okay. Now by default we have a couple fields filled out for us already. Search field is the category, the search field that we're searching on. So theoretically we can search by author and have a button that's just to one author. In this case, it's a tag for press releases. So down in our system, to our content manager, taxonomy, and tags, you can see we have two set up already, and we're going to use press releases. So we're just going to use the title of that. And then we have the icon CSS class. Uh, this field should be set by you guys. You can use different icons that are provided by Font Awesome. If you just Google search Font Awesome, you can quickly find a link for the documentation, and you have hundreds of different icons to choose from. We can just quickly pick one of these. We'll do this commenting one. So in here we click on it and we see the HTML down here. We just want to grab that class attribute and copy that. We'll jump back here and go to our press release search button. Oh, we're already on it. Let me cancel. And we want to paste that value in here. So our search field is tags because we're searching on that tags taxonomy. The field value is press releases because we want that button to always filter out the articles that are tagged with press releases. And the icon CSS class is that commenting icon that we saw before here. So we're going to save and close that. Now you can see that component is now appearing. We see the home button, which will bring us to the page that we're currently on, but no filters applied. And then we have our press releases. This will link us again on the same page, but it will modify the URL so we're only searching on articles with the tag the tag press releases. And we can add multiple ones of these. And as we're building out more tags, it would be good practice to add those search buttons as well.